Andito ako ng kinaya ko. Parang saya. Halika, baby Kia! Kanta mo tayo! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Kia! Ayan, palakpak naman dyan! O, diba? Ito sa'yo. Ayan. At syempre, ang kanyang... Kuya! Kuya! Ay, ang bibi rin. Dito tayo sa part na to. Dito tayo, dito sa part na to. Okay, ang kanyang cake! Okay, at saka ang kanyang isang case! Oh, may isang case na! Okay, siguradin ko. Ayan. Okay, di ba tayo tapos ha? Kakanta natin ang birthday sa ticket. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, Kian or Mommy. Bago niyo blow yung candle, dapat po muna kayo mag-wish. So, wish, wish, wish. Sabi ko yan. Okay, blow! Ayan. At syempre, may rinandang letter ang kanyang tita Charo or Ninang. Ayan, si Ninang Charo. Ito ang kanyang message. Happiest and healthiest birthday to you, Kian, from Ninang Charo. Ayan. Palakpak naman dyan! Okay. Ay, hindi natin papalagpasin. Kailangan natin kuhanan ng message ang kanyang daddy at saka kanyang mommy. Message po sa inyong napakagwapong anak. Okay. Mami.
Sana maging mabait kang anak, saka maging malusog palagi. Yun lang.
Wow! Okay. So, dito ka ating sa gitna. Sa gitna. Ayan. Okay. Okay, dito tayo. Ano po ang iyong message kay Ate Charo?
Thank you sa surprise. We love you.
Thank you, Manang.
Hindi niya papalagpasin ang birth ng kanyang inaanak. Ayan, at saka kapatid. So, magpapakilala na po ako. In behalf of Adventures Flower Shop and Gardens, thank you Ate Charo ulit sa paulit-ulit na pag-trust at pagpili po sa amin upang mahipahatid po natin ang sorpresa na nais mong pahatid sa inyong napakagwapong pamangkin na si Kian! Ayan! So, salamat po all the way from Vancouver, Canada! Palakpak! Isa pang beses! Kaway-kaway! Ayan!
Life's like a road that you travel on when there's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes you turn your back to the wind. There's a world outside every darkened door where blues won't haunt you anymore. Where the brave are free and lovers soar. Come ride with me to the distant shore. We won't hesitate to break down the garden gate. There's not much time left today. Yeah, life is a highway. I wanna ride it all night long. If you're going my way, I wanna drive it all night long. Through all these cities and all these towns, it's in my blood and it's all around. I love you now like I loved you then. This is the road and these are the hands. From Mozambique to those Memphis nights, the Cabo Pass to Vancouver's lights. You knock me down, get back up again. You're in my blood, I'm not a lonely man. There's no load I can't hold. The roads are rough, this I know. with survivor.